Physical or chemical? Play the game to identify the change. All right, what you are going to need for this is your physical and chemical property game, which is right here. So it says click here to make a copy of the game. So you're going to click here in just a moment. You're going to watch this video to learn how to make a copy if you need help. And then you're going to type whether the change is physical or chemical in the answer box. And then you're going to watch as you start to create a picture on the right side of your screen. When you are all done, I want you to take a screenshot of your picture and upload it to this green box. I want to see what you have created. So I'm just going to walk you through that. You're going to click here, click on this link. It's going to say, would you like to make a copy? And you're going to say, make a copy. This will then make a copy for you. Over on this side of your screen, it says freezing juice is a blank change. And then you are going to decide whether that is a physical or chemical change by writing your answer here. So if I think it's physical, I will type physical. And then some things appeared over here. Did you see that? Gone. Physical. Here. As you complete each of these things and you write whether it's a physical or a chemical change in each of these boxes, you're going to start to see a picture over here. I want you to take a screenshot of this picture to upload and share with us when you are done. We want to see what you got. All right, if you have any questions, as usual, come back to the Google Meet or send a message in Schoology. Happy learning. Bye.